Hi, this is Suna Sunman again. Here I am in the snow in the magical woods behind the house, behind the Freedom Center, on my way to the river. And I wanted to continue with the explanation of feminine power. But first, I want to demonstrate it by simply being silent and letting you take in this beautiful nature, this winter wonderland. Just breathe. Take a big breath in, hold it, and slowly let it out. Take another big breath in, hold it, and slowly let it out. One more. Big breath in, hold it, and slowly let it out. And now I'll let you look at the river. So to explain the feminine power, the no space, the no doing, but just the space, what you feed grows. And that is what I often say, and that will be my topic now. If you are unhappy with something, if you fight against it, you're only giving it power. Conscious creativity is what we get with understanding feminine power. Conscious creativity is not reacting to everything you don't want, but it's really listening to your heart, listening within, allowing your imagination to draw its pictures, its sounds, its tastes, its feelings within you, and then using that blueprint, you create. That is conscious creativity. And that's where feminine power is so important. It's the pause. It's the nothingness. It can also be the discussion in a project group. It can be the observation, the non-doing, the non-focusing on what is, but the space allowed for what is not yet. And if you use the analogy of the egg that's fertilized in the womb, growing into a zygote and an embryo, and then a little baby to be born, it's the same thing with conscious creativity using feminine power. You provide the space. You just provide the space. And then within the space, there are things that come. It's the yin and the yang, yin being the feminine, yang being the masculine. And as those things come, you decide to allow them into your space, to take root and grow, or not to. And those things that you allow in your space to take root and grow will grow. So that is where watching your thoughts will create what you want eventually, conscious creativity. And this is why my video will end right this moment and continue later.